Hello everyone, welcome to FinTalks. This is Dr. Harikarri, PhD in Finance. So I'm going to one of the best investment plan available in mutual funds. We all know that out of various investment options available in the market, mutual fund investment is definitely one of the best choice. And that too, systematic investment plan in mutual funds, that is SIP, that is investing a small amount of money regularly for a long period of time will give you a very good returns, high returns in the long run. In the long run, they will create a very high wealth in the systematic investment plan in the mutual funds. But here, along with there is one more investment plan, but many people have no idea about that one, that is STP, systematic transfer plan. STP, many people have no idea about that one, and this STP is far better, more better, and giving good returns compared to SIP, systematic investment plan. So what is STP? What is systematic transfer plan? The main advantage, benefit of systematic transfer plan is whatever the amount you invested in this systematic transfer plan, mutual funds, you can transfer the funds from one scheme to another scheme. You can transfer your investment amount from one plan to another plan, which is giving good returns. For example, you invested in a mutual fund plan in plan A. So the plan A is not giving good returns, and you saw that plan B is giving very good returns, high returns. So you can transfer your funds from plan A to plan B. That benefit is available in systematic transfer plan without any objections, without any hassle for that one, transfer that one. But here you have to keep in mind that the transfer is only from one scheme to another scheme under the same mutual fund company, one plan to another plan of same mutual fund company. It is not possible to transfer from one mutual fund company to another mutual fund company, not possible. For example, you invested in ICICI mutual funds plan A. So under the ICICI mutual funds, you can transfer your amount from plan A to plan B, which is giving good returns, or plan B to plan C, scheme A to scheme B, you can transfer. But it is not possible, it is not applicable for transferring from ICICI to HDFC, HDFC to SBI is not possible. Within the mutual fund company, you can transfer your funds from one plan to another plan, one scheme to another scheme, which are giving good returns, high returns. And next, coming to the next point, here there are three types of systematic transfer plans are available in the market. The first one is flexible STP. Flexible STP means under this, investors, as an investor, you can decide yourself when you want to transfer and how much you want to transfer from one scheme to another scheme, one plan to another plan. So flexible STP means here as an investor you have a choice. You can decide yourself how much you want to transfer, how much amount, and when you want to transfer, you can decide. But coming to the next category, fixed STP, here the amount how much you want to transfer is fixed. You cannot change every time. Once the amount to be transferred is fixed, that amount only possible to transfer. And the other category, third category is equity oriented STP. Equity oriented STP means when the market is doing well, the stock market is doing well, so there is a benefit, there is a possibility you can transfer all the profits you earned, all the profits you received on one scheme, one plan, you can transfer to another plan which is giving a very high returns, having high growth potential. So three types of STP are available. You can choose as per your feasibility. And coming to the next another point here, how much you have to invest, what is the minimum amount to be invested. Actually, in SIP, systematic investment plan, even minimum amount also you can invest. That means 500 rupees is also possible to invest. But coming to the STP, systematic transfer plan, SEBI, Securities Exchange Board of India, which controls the mutual fund companies in India, it doesn't mention how much is the minimum amount. No rules, no regulations. The SEBI has not mentioned anything about the minimum amount of investment in STP mutual fund. But the mutual fund companies set an amount that the minimum amount of investment, the minimum amount to be invested in STP, systematic transfer plan, is rupees 12,000. If you want to invest in STP, systematic transfer plan, you have to invest a minimum of rupees 12,000, and at the time of investment you have to select at least 6 funds you want to transfer. You have to give them a list of 6 funds in which you want to transfer. So depending upon the market conditions, depending upon the feasibility, possibility, the mutual fund company will transfer to any of this. So you have to give a selection list of 6 in which you want to transfer. And coming to the charges, we are transferring from one fund to another fund, one scheme to another scheme. So when you are going to a new scheme, that is called as entry load, entry charges. Here there is no any entry load. You are transferring your money from plan A to plan B. That means you are leaving plan A and you are investing in plan B. You are entering into plan B. When you are entering into plan B, normally charges are called as entry load, entry charges. Here there is no any entry load, there is no any entry charges, but they are charging exit load, exit charges are there. When you are leaving a scheme, when you are leaving a plan, so there you have to pay exit load charges, which are up to a maximum of 2%. So here coming to the charges, there is no entry load. That means when you are entering into a new scheme, there is no charges. But since you are leaving the other scheme, there you have to pay exit charges up to a maximum of 2% of the net asset value. But however, even this exit load is also not applicable. There is no exit load charges if you transfer your funds from liquid fund scheme to equity fund scheme. That is one option here. And coming to the next, what are the main benefits, advantages of STP, systematic transfer plan? Are high returns. Well, whenever you want, whenever you see that the market is giving a good returns, another scheme, another plan is giving good returns, you can switch between the one plan to another plan, one scheme to another plan, which is giving more funds, more profits. So that's why there is a possibility of high returns. And stability, since you can transfer your funds from equity market to debt funds to equity funds, there is a high volatility in the stock market. In such a case, risk is there. You can transfer from the equity funds to debt funds, so debt funds will give you good returns. So like that, by transferring from one fund to another fund, you can maintain a stability in your returns. And next, to balance in portfolio, combination of securities, combination of investments. You cannot invest total amount in only one plan, one option. Always you have to maintain a portfolio, combination of plans you have to make investment. So because of this STP, systematic transfer plan, which is giving a choice from transfer from one plan to another plan, here you can maintain a balance between the risk and return, and you can maintain the balance between your portfolio. And another advantage benefit is tax exemption. Whatever the gains you are receiving here, short term, long term gains, they are exempted from the tax. So tax exemption is available. And finally, conclusion, this STP, systematic transfer plan in mutual funds, is suitable for more benefit for those who have limited financial resources and want to earn high returns. So the people, the investors who have limited financial resources but who want to earn a high returns, good returns, for them STP is a good option. Normally SIP is the best option, but now compared to SIP, STP is far better, but many people don't know about this STP. So I hope this information is useful for you. If you are interested, you can check in the online any mutual fund company as per your feasibility, or you can mention in the comment box any doubts if you have. I hope this information is useful for you. If the information is useful, please like my channel and subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you. Have a good day.